Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If today is the first time of coming across my video, I welcome you specially. And for those that are my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you. I appreciate all your time spent in watching my video. God bless you. Okay, today I will be putting on this boubou design, how to sew boubou design 2025. Yes, you saw the sample, but there are some intrigues into it which I'll be explaining. So what you see me do now is the shoulder measurement, which is 15. 15 divided by 2, that will give me 7.5 plus swing allowance. And then the shoulder slant, which is 1 inch. I measured that one before I measured the shoulder length, the armhole length. Okay, that's the one you see me join together. Measure 8 inches for the armhole line. And so I'm going vertically now. I'm measuring the bust and then the half length. The half length is supposed to be 18, don't mind me, but it's corrected anyway. I corrected it to be 18, not 21. Okay, so it's correcting it to 18. Okay, so that one is cancelled. Then from the shoulder to the hip, that's giving me about 25. Okay, I'll be working with it. Those are some of the intricate I'm going to sew. Just wait and watch to the end. Okay, so I will completed the vertical line. I'll be going with the measurement of the hip to the end of the gown. The length of the gown is about 60. Okay, so from the hip measurement I go down to the end of the cloth. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Like this video so that I can get to others that need it. Okay, thanks so much. So I haven't measured the vertical side. I will now go to the horizontal. Okay, so for the bust circumference I need 52 divided by 4. I have 13. Okay, so I'll just measure exactly the size. Then we'll be adding the allowances later. Okay, so I mark 13. Okay, so the half length is about 40. 40 divided by 10, that's 10. 40 divided by 4, I have 10. And then for the hip I'm using 42 divided by 4, that's about 10.5. so adding the allowance, your allowance can be 2, it can be 2.5. I'm using 3 inches allowance. Okay, like I've always advised, it's better is a big on a big side, and now it can be reduced instead of making it smaller, and then adding might be difficult. So what you see me is the addition of the allowances. I do that same thing down to the end of this fabric. Okay, still measuring to the end of the fabric. So can I join all the lines together, the dotted lines, and then do the cutting? Okay, so but before then I will still measure the neckline, of course. Okay, so I measure the length of the armhole, which is 8 inches. Half of 8 inches is 4. So I mark it, and then coming in by half an inch so that the bulge under the armpit will be checked or minimized. Okay, so this one is done only for the front panel. When you are cutting the back panel, you don't put that extra half inch inward. Okay, so just join it together. Just wait till here, you see those things I say I will be showing us. So the next thing is the neckline. The wideness, I'm using 3. While the depth, I'm using 4 inches. It's just a circle, so then you create your cuff in it, and then we do the justice by cutting it. Okay, so you just curve your, since I'm using a round neck, so just create your curve in absence of a curve ruler. And so it's time to cut it. If you're yet to subscribe at this moment, please do subscribe. Okay, and put on your notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be there to see it. Okay, so this is the front panel. I'll be taking it for embroidery, so I will just use this one to cut the back panel, and at the back panel I will put button there. Okay, here at the front and the back panel, and then the slit for the button is already there. So when it's completed, I will come back to show us. Okay, thanks so much for staying by, and then I hope you have subscribed. I hope you have become a subscriber to this channel. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.